Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the cheapest and most affordable Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, so I'll be providing everything here. Prices, SKUs, features of these very beautiful bags. You know our practice. If you like anything here, kindly take a screenshot and check the website or your CAs for orders and availability. So I'm inviting you guys, so please make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! For today's episode, I will be sharing top 12 most affordable Louis Vuitton leather. Yes, all leather bags, all under 2,000 USD. Prices are up to date as of April 10th, 2024. Most affordable Louis Vuitton monogram bags were already posted. I will be linking it on the description box below. All the links to the bags that we are going to discuss for today would be linked on the description box below. Happy shopping! Alright, so top 12. Let us start first with Nano Speedy. This is just a little bit over our price range, but price is 2,030 USD. We have SKU here. The material of this one is the very beautiful bicolor monogram empriente leather. Color is tortoise gray and cream. Dimension is 6.3 inches in length, 3.9 inches in height, 3 inches in width. So this comes with the detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it has gold hardware as well. Next, let us start first with my personal favorite, top 11 Alma BB. This is a new addition or new re-edition of the Alma BB. Price of this one is 2020. The difference of this Alma BB from the classic one, as you're going to see, now it comes with gold hardware, because with the current Almas that Louis Vuitton are launching, most of it are silver hardware. Normally, the gold hardware are vintage. I'm just happy that they are relaunching it in this red colorway. It comes in black colorway with same price of 2020. Then we have top 10, another Alma BB. As you would notice, the price of this one is a little bit lower, which is 1,960 USD. The material is the same. It's in epi leather. The color is navy, but the difference is from a while ago is the silver hardware. Also, guys, I've noticed a little bit difference with the dimension. Kindly check them out. So I've noted the dimension of this one. So that is 9.8 inches in length, 7.5 inches in height, and 4.3 inches in width. It comes with detachable and non-adjustable leather strap. Top 9, new bag, Metis wallet on chain. Price is 1,920 USD. The material is in the very beautiful empriente leather. The colorway of this one is cream. It comes with gold hardware. The dimension is 7.5 inches in length, 4.3 inches in height, with 2.2 inches in width. It comes in black and gold colorway as well. It comes with detachable but non-adjustable leather strap. It has S-lock closure. Next, we have top 8. So another version of the Nano Speedy, but this one is only priced at 1,900 USD because the material of this one is the very beautiful empriente leather, so it's not a bicolor. The color of this one is in noir. It would come with gold hardware. So the dimension is 6.3 inches in length, 3.9 inches in height, with 3 inches in width. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, as we could see here. Then at top 7, we have IV wallet on chain, another new bag of Louis Vuitton. Price is 1,900 USD. Material is in empriente leather. The color of this one is in cream, but it would also be available in black with same price. It comes with gold hardware with dimensions of 9.3 inches in length, 4.7 inches in height with width of 1.7 inches. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, plus it would come with a gold chain strap as well. Then we have top 6 new bag. I love this design. So the name is Mini Moon Bag. Price is only 1,860 USD. We have SKU here. The material is in bicolor empriente leather with giant monogram detail. The color of this bag is latte white with chamallow pink, with dimensions of 8.1 inches in length, 4.3 inches in height, 2.1 inches in width. The shoulder strap is non-detachable, but it is adjustable and would come with gold hardware. So this is top 6. Now we go to top 5. We have Félicie Pochette, price at 1,760 USD. We have SKU here. So the colorway of this version is the bicolor empriente leather. Color is tortoise gray and cream, but it would come in black and beige colorway as well. Of course, it would come with 2 leather inserts with the dimensions of 8.3 inches in length, 4.7 inches in height with 1.2 inches in width. It would come with very beautiful and shiny gold chain strap. Now at top 4, so another beautiful bag, Mini Moon Bag. So the difference is it is not a bicolor finish. Price is 1,730 USD. Material is empriente leather with giant monogram detail. Color is noir, but it would come in different colors as well, such as an iris, light green, rose lollipop, and cream. The dimension is 8.1 inches in length, 4.3 inches in height with 2 inches in width. The shoulder strap is non-detachable but adjustable, as you can see here. Now top 3, so fairly new bag. We have the Easy Pouch on Strap. Price is 1,620 USD. The material is in empriente leather. It comes in color black. It would also come in the Turtledove color and in cream colorway. Dimension is 7.5 inches in length, 4.5 inches in height with 1.2 inches in width. It would come with 2 strap, detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it would come with very beautiful gold chain strap as well. Now at top 2, another Félicie Pochette. This is not the bicolor. That is why it's a little bit more affordable, with price of 1,620 USD. As you can see here, it would come with 2 leather inserts. Material is in empriente leather. The colorway of this one is navy, but it would come in black, scarlet, turtledove, rose poudre, and cream. Dimension is 8.3 inches in length, 4.7 inches in height with 1.2 inches in width. It would come with a very beautiful gold chain strap. And now for top 1, only price at 1,600 USD. Yes, you heard that right. So this is a new bag, Lexington pouch. Material is monogram vernis or patent leather. The colorway of this one is chic and yellow, but it would come also in the glossy lilac color. Dimension is 8.5 inches in length, 5.1 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width. It would come with detachable and non-adjustable leather strap with gold hardware and padlock zipper pull. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So among the most affordable Louis Vuitton bags, are you adding anything to your wish list this 2024? Kindly comment down below. Also guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @RamiraFi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!